he said on the radio. You yanking my chain. There he is, Mike! Oh, well, we want you to try and surprise you, huh? Thank you, Steve. Always fun. There, boss. Everybody else up there working so hard as well.
Isn't that crazy? Wow.
That is your F-5 from the United States Navy, and yes, his name is Lieutenant Mike Saylor. And yes, you will see it again. And yes, Steve, he was close enough. Excellent. Fast, too, isn't it? It is capable of supersonic speed. Mach 1.64, in fact. And here he is again. How to fight. The bad guys, if you will, in Top Gun, as you'll recall. That rather unique paint scheme, and not often we see them in the sky at air shows, usually in the static display. But great to see it in the sky here today. A profile we have seen in Canada with the Canadian military in the past, both the single seat and double seat, two-seat versions, part of our aviation history, and to include it here as part of the U.S.'s 100th anniversary of naval aviation. A little slower and more graceful. For the wing of the wings, right back, Mike Saylor from the United States Navy. And now to the left, the A-10, the Thunderbolt II. The Warhawks take up position on the runway. And as they take up position, I'm told that Mike wants to come by one more time for you, ladies and gentlemen. Go Navy!
Fast.